is up to the YouTube? Yes, I'm back with another video. Hey you guys, Charlene here, and today I am back with another video for you guys today. So I don't gotta do too much, explaining for this one because y'all already know what's up. Haitian lit compa playlist part 2. I'm so excited. The first one got so much love. Like, I appreciate it so much. Like, you let me get my tissues. Because when I tell y'all the first one got so much love, like, y'all really was in them comments being so damn sweet. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm a mess. I'm sorry. But the first one got so much love. Like, I love y'all. So you know what I had to do? Give you guys a part 2. So that's what we're doing right now. We're doing a part 2, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which will be right here on the screen, as well as linked down below. Instagram, Snapchat, make sure you guys go follow me on that. Also, TikTok is down there below. I will start posting on that. So yeah, I'm gonna get lit. Where all my Haitian Zoes at? I need all you guys to get lit with me. Y'all, let's get into the music. Hold on. Just like, this is the real OG song.
J'en fous pas, mais pour mon encore.
C'est la montagne, bonne fête, c'est ça, oublié. Et puis, cliquez, oui, là. chante, ou pas faire place pour acquis, ou les lycées pour faire souffrir. Les mêmes affaires, ou qu'on défie pour les faire. L'homme va être fort apprécié. Pas de personne qui me dit moi, et me démarre malgré. Baby, let's make it work.
Only for you. What left won't go there, I need to feel only for you. I do this just for you. I do this just for you. When we lay like that, somebody. Un genio non ti vecchia más. Jouer l'amour, pas gagner. Moi, parfait pour lui.
Hold up, it's the compa. It's the compa.
Je serai toujours là. Si je compterai besoin. Je serai toujours là. Si je
Hold up, run it back, run it back, run it back.
Marche sous l'eau. Ouais, prêt pour moi, porter sous l'eau. Ouais, prêt pour moi, laisse moi là.
Such a beautiful song.
People beat. Assume tudo.
I recently just got put on this song, and I'm already in love. Like, goodbye. Period. that is it for my Haitian lit compa playlist part 2. I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. I love these type of videos because I just be in my zone, bro. Like, I got no words. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said, don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new, bro, if you're new, sis, whichever you may be, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on my social media. Like I said, it'll be linked down below and it's also on the screen, so take the time to do that. I appreciate you guys all. Let's run this video up and I love you guys. I love you guys. Where's my tissue? Okay, no, we're done with the tissue. We're done. I'll put that tissue box out so many times. We're done. But everybody stay safe. Everybody stay blessed. I love you guys all. God bless you guys all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace. I always do that. Like, all right. Bye, guys.